Finding the right toilet when your rough-in measurement is about 9.5 inches can feel like hunting for a unicorn, but it's totally doable once you get what to look for. So, first off, that 9.5-inch rough-in measurement means the distance from the finished wall to the center of your waste pipe, right? Most toilets are made for either 10-inch, 12-inch, or sometimes even 14-inch rough-ins, but 9.5 is kinda in the weird zone. What you want to do is check for toilets with adjustable rough-ins or ones that specifically mention 9-inch or 10-inch compatibility because some models can fit a little off standard. Don't just eyeball it, measure twice for accuracy. Also, think about the space. Some toilets with a 10-inch rough-in can still work if you have some wiggle room or if the pipe isn't exactly centered. If you can't find anything that fits perfectly, there are special offset flange pieces that help shift the waste pipe location a bit to fit a standard toilet. Another tip is to contact toilet manufacturers or check home improvement forums where people share their exact models for tricky measurements. Lastly, if you're working on a tiled floor, make sure the flange height matches the tile thickness or use a flange extender so everything seals properly. One of the biggest issues people run into with unusual rough-in sizes, like 9.5 inches, is assuming all toilets will fit standard 10-inch rough-ins. This often leads to buying a toilet that either won't sit flush against the wall or leaks because of poor flange alignment. The fix? Measure carefully and look for toilets or flange adapters designed for non-standard sizes. Another common mistake is ignoring the height and shape of the toilet bowl, which can affect comfort and usability, so try to pick one that suits your bathroom layout and personal preferences. The third problem is skipping the step of verifying flange height after tiling. If it's too low compared to the tile surface, water leaks become a risk. You can fix this by installing a flange extender or replacing the flange to match the new floor height. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff, especially when you have unique setup issues like this. For contractors, it's a solid platform to connect with clients who need help with all kinds of home projects, from toilets to tiling and more.